Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do text animation on CapCut. So open CapCut application, then start up a new project. So when you start a new project, you basically come and select the video that you want to edit. All right. So for this case, I'll choose one of these videos. So I'll choose this video here. Okay. Where someone was walking, so I'll choose that. So as you can see, this is our video. Okay, so to do text animation, come to text over here, then come to add text. Okay, so I'll add in my text over here. Okay, let's assume that's our text. Okay, all right, so I'll adjust our text accordingly first of all right, so then I tap on the text once again. All right, so when you tap on the text, come and tap on add text. Okay, so I'll add another text. Okay, all right, so after that, again, I'll adjust this one. So I'll come and edit this one, then I put the animation in this one. So you come on style over here, then I'll give it the black color. Okay, so as you can see, when you come to style, the next option is effects, then the third one is animation. Okay, so you choose animation. We're going to add animations. So there are a variety of animations. There are a variety of animations that bring in the text, that take out the text, then that also loop the text. So we're going to choose one which bring in the text. So I'll select this one here. Okay, so you can adjust the speed so that it can be slow. All right, like that. Okay, so when we're done with that, just tick that one there. So I'll go back to this one also. Then I also put some animations in it, or if you want, you can leave it. All right, but let's also put some animations in it. Okay, all right, so I'll discard this one first. So I'll go back to this one which has walking, then I come to animations. Okay, so I'll choose another animation for this one. So the animations are in plenty. Okay, so when you drag this side, you're increasing the time. Okay, so after that, I'll leave it there. So when you play a video, you can see there are two text animations there. Okay, so that's how to add text animation in CapCut. Thank you for watching, guys.